Jordan and Kaylee each conduct a survey on their school campus to determine the ages of students in the cafeteria during a lunch period. Here's the data for Jordan, here's the data for Kaylee. Write a statement that compares the spreads of the data distribution for both graphs. Remember, spread is a keyword for range. So range is the largest number minus the smallest number. 15 minus 11 is 4 for Jordan. Kaylee, largest number is 15, smallest number is 11. So they are both the same. So Jordan and Kaylee have the same spread. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Okay, on number 2, describe the shapes of the data distribution for both graphs. Well, Jordan's graph looks symmetrical, meaning it is a mirror image. You can fold it in upon itself. Kaylee looks like it's kind of tapering off to the left, so we call that skewed left when the tail is on the left. So Jordan is symmetrical. Kaylee is skewed left. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. Which measure of center is best used to describe each data distribution? Explain your answer. Remember, center is a keyword for median. To find the median, you have to cross off till you get to the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We cross off and we get 13. So for Kaylee, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have Jordan has a center of 13. And Kaylee has a center of 14. Okay. And the dot plots show the heights of the group of 7th grade girls and a group of 7th grade boys. Which statement best describes the shape of the data distribution for the girls' heights compared to the shape of data distribution for the boys' heights? The distribution for the girls' height is skewed left. Well, this is skewed right. So it can't be A. B. The distribution for the heights of both boys and girls are symmetric. No, they're not a mirror image, and they cannot be folded upon each other. C. The distribution for the girls' height is skewed right. Yes, that's true. While the distribution for the boys' height is skewed left. Yes, this is skewed left. So we're looking at C. Okay, just to make sure, let's read D. The distribution for the girls' height is skewed, while the distribution for the boys' height is symmetric. No, it's skewed left. All right, let's go to the next one. The dot plot shows the heights of a group of 7th grade boys and girls. The spread of the data distribution for the girls and boys are Remember, spread is a key word for range. So it's the largest minus the smallest. The largest is 71. The smallest is 61. We have 10. The boy's largest is 72. The smallest is 61. We got 11 minus 10 is 1. So they differ by 1. Okay, Miss Rice and Miss Turner compete each year to see which homeroom class will sell the most discount cards for the school fundraiser. The results for each class are shown in the dot plots below. Based on the data shown in the graphs, which statement is true? The spread of data distribution for Miss Rice class is larger than the spread for Miss Turner. Remember, spread is a key word for range. To find range, it's the largest minus the smallest. So 10 minus 0 is 10. Okay, 14 minus 0 is 14. So is 10 larger than 14? No. So it's not A. Okay, the center of data distribution for Miss Turner's class is almost 2.5 for Miss Rice's. Remember, center is a key word for median or middle. To find the median, you have to cross off till you get to the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the center is 4 for Miss Turner. I'm sorry, for Miss Rice. And then for Miss Turner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 2 in the middle, so we add them up. So 10 plus 11 will get me 21. 21 divided by 2 goes in there 1 time. 0 times, decimal, decimal, 0, 5 times. So we have 10.5. All right, so let's say we did 4 times 2.5. Does it get us 10.5? So 2.5 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 10. Sorry, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So that's 10, and we are supposed to have 2.5. This might be the correct answer because it says almost. Let's keep going though. The spreads of the data distribution for both classes differ by 4. Well, this was 10, this was 14. 14 minus 10 is 4. That's not true. Okay, D. The shape of the data distribution for Miss Rice's class appears to be symmetric. Well, it's not really a mirror image, and it does not fold in upon itself. While the shape of the distribution for Miss Turner appears to be skewed right. If anything, I would say that that might be skewed left. So we can't go with D. Okay, the reason why it is B is because of the word almost. It's not exactly 10, but it's almost 10. So it's about 10.5, B. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, it says a product testing group compares 2 brands of trail mix to determine the number of raisins per ounce of mix. 2 pounds of each brand's mix is separated into 32 1-ounce servings. Which statement best describes the shape of the data distribution for brand A compared to the shape of data distribution for brand B? The data distribution for brand A is skewed slightly left. Yes, I would say this is skewed left. While the data distribution for brand B is close to symmetric. Yes, this is symmetric. The answer appears to be A, but let's just check B, C, and D. The data distribution for brand A is close to symmetric. No, not symmetric. The data distribution for brand A and brand B are skewed right. No, we said skewed left. The data distribution for brand A and brand B are symmetric. No, brand A is not symmetric. Okay, the last one. The center of the data distributions for brand A and brand B. Remember, center is a key word for median. To find median, we have to cross off till we get to the middle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the median is 12 here. All right, let's do brand B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have 2 in the middle, so 11 plus 13 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is going to be 12. So this is 12 and this is 12. They are equivalent to 12.